Today is Review Thursday with Liscombe Tree Service. Today our review is from Amy. She says with her 5-star review that they showed up on time and got things done. I was impressed with their hard work and knowledge as they worked on 5 trees on my property. They also made sure they left my yard as clean as they possibly could and gave advice on how to regrow the grass over the stump that they had ground out. If I ever need more help or need to refer anyone, this is a business I will be going to. Testimonial Thursday with Liscombe Tree Service. Today we got a review from Amanda, 5-star review. It says, Liscombe Tree Service was wonderful. They worked quickly and effectively. They cleaned up nicely, had our huge tree completed in 4 hours. The men that were at the house were extremely polite and answered my questions. Liscombe Tree Service was great prices as well. We got 6 bids and they were the most fair. Definitely recommend them again and refer them out. In fact, they are already cutting a tree down for my parents in a few weeks and they were the best bid for them as well. If you're ever in need of any tree services, give us a call below at 314-650-9055.